Welcome, food explorers! Today's big question is, why do we grill in summer? Let's find out and earn our Sizzle Scout badge. Summer is warm and sunny, perfect for cooking outside because it feels so good. Let's get our food ready to grill. These veggies are getting ready to feel the sizzle. And this juicy watermelon, it's staying cool. Let's peek through the wonder window. Look at that! The grill is all ready for us. Whoa! Do you see those golden lines? The heat is changing the veggies. That's called caramelization. It's like the grill brings out the sweet. Flip your hands like a kebab on the grill. Flip, flip, flip. Ready to sizzle? Grilling adds flavor, color, and sizzle to our food. And when it's hot outside, it's the perfect time to take the kitchen outdoors. Warm veggies, cool watermelon, that's summer. Today, we learned why summer and grilling go hand in hand, and how the heat brings out the sweet in our food. You just earned your Sizzle Scout badge. Ask a grown-up to help you print and color it at home. Until next time, keep asking big questions about little bites.